Hello guys, welcome back to Ray Loves to Eat. So guys, your boy is finally back home. Your boy did catch a little bit of a cold while I was on my trip. So I got some medicine trying to make myself feel better. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Can't call off tomorrow or Tuesday because I literally requested Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. So I gotta go to work. So it's only 2 days, so I think I can make through it. And I get off at 12. So if I need a rest after work and lay down, I will do that. So anyways, today we got the triple dipper platter from Chili's, ladies and gentlemen. It comes in this big old box. So it comes with 4 chicken critters, 2 mozzarella sticks, or mozzarella bars, and then it comes with 2 burger sliders. And that's what we're eating today. I wasn't even sure if I was even going to do a video today. I know I told you guys I was going to, but I wasn't sure because, you know, your boy is not feeling well. I mean, I'm fine to talk and do all this other stuff, but like, you know, nose is running, so I'll try not to blow my nose on camera. I'll try to avoid that. If I have to stand up, blow my nose, I'll do that. But let's just get through this video. And if you guys want to go check out my last 2 vlogs, I know I said I was going to upload the vlogs on my other channel, but I decided, you know what, to put it on my main channel. Just do something different, you know. Y'all wanted some vlogs, y'all got some vlogs. The views on this channel have been hella low for some reason, I don't know. But it's fine. You know, we're just going to keep moving, keep pushing, and keep doing what we got to do. Here is the sliders. Pull them bad boys apart. And I decided that starting this coming week, we'll do the 3 days off. So I almost was gonna do mukbang last night, but I had like leftover burger from Denny's last night before I went to the show. So yeah, I did that instead of doing a mukbang at the hotel. And then he gave me 3 ranches, bro. 3 ranches, that's too many, but we'll see how many we have to use. And drink Sprite. Mozzarella. Here's a chicken critter. So let's start off with the sliders. Cheers. Got a little bit of a cheese pool. Excuse me. Now we're gonna dip the chicken critter. Everything tastes good, delicious, and tasty. Everything tastes good. Sliders, the sticks, the critters. 10 out of 10. And you can never go wrong with a chicken platter because it comes with an entire plate of different things. And this is on the appetizer menu. All I ate this morning was basically just some Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal at the hotel. They didn't have no eggs, they didn't have no sausage. At least the last hotel, they at least had eggs, sausage, waffles, cereal. They had the different options, but this one did not. It wasn't bad, but you know, it had more of a variety, but it's what it is, man. Not gonna complain. Excuse me. Your boy had a long drive, man. First time going to Prescott Valley. Actually, not a bad place. Nice, small. Maybe not small, but like lot of fields out there and mountains. But yeah, your boy went up there to go to wrestling. Will I ever go back to Prescott Valley? Probably never, unless they have another wrestling event up there. But other than that, that's it for me. Like and subscribe for content, and I'll see y'all Wednesday for another video, another mukbang. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a vlog maybe in the next couple of days. I don't know. like I said, I do have a little bit of a cold. I don't know if you can tell from my voice. My nose is running. So, yeah, your boy goes back to work tomorrow for the next 2 days, and then your boy's off again. So, probably just come home and just relax and chill and whatnot. So, yeah, enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you for more videos. More mukbang. Go check out my last 2 vlogs for SmackDown and NXT Halloween Havoc, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Peace.